Do you have a new resolution? Well, what is it? Hello guys, it's your boy Robin here again with another video, and I would just like to say Bonne année, Feliz Año Nuevo, Feliz Año Nuevo. And I hope you guys have been having a great year, or you started it pretty great or pretty awesome. Good. So guys, today's video will be about my experience here in France, my year in France for 2019. Although I did not spend 12 months in France, I spent the latter part of the year in France, and so I would like to show you guys my experience here in France. And just a little disclaimer guys, because of copyright reasons I had to mute some parts of the videos or cut out some parts, and I had to do a lot of editing. So with that said guys, I hope you'll enjoy this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a few. Ciao. Oh yes, that'd be nice. Oh my god, you see that one? You see that big one right? You see that big one right there? See that big one right there? Yeah. Whoa, I've never seen one that close. But my first time. Yeah, yes. It's crazy. Yes. Oh my god. I could fit on it. I could fit on his back. So not only was my line closed, but I'm going to miss my train. I have 1 minute to get to my train. Okay, perfect. Alright guys, so let me give you some updates. So basically I've totally missed my train. The next train out from here going to where I'm going will be 7 hours and 53 minutes, which will be taking me tomorrow into Saturday. Beautiful Grenoble. After heaven and hell, I'm finally here. Made it to the top. Well, there's still more to go, but for the most part, we made it to the pool. Let's see what up there looks like. They're near Taj. Archaeological Museum, Grenoble. That looks like a child. Looks so small, it must be a child. Oh, this is a new museum. It's a Musée Dauphinois. Eau de vie de vipère, so water of life of vipers. That's a snake? It's liquid with a snake in it? That's crazy. Some of them things you type. Okay, so it's the war, so that's the lion there, and that's the snake here. Y'all see that exciting history happening before y'all? She's gonna try the porn star. That sounds so wrong. Okay. I do porn. this one so wrong. Okay, so Rodi's gonna try it. So watch her try it. She likes it. And she's saying it's fruity.
Yeah, it's fruitier than I thought it would be. I was expecting like hard alcohol.
Passion fruit. I don't drink. Rodi's getting me to drink.
Do you see my halo?
It's very good. You guys should definitely check it out. It's amazing. Porn star. This is the only context in which a porn star is in. Nice. Very nice. Wow. Alright, so just spending a regular night in Paris, having a wonderful day, just seeing the boring Arbiter until damn! Just you see, y'all see that now? Like vas-y, vas-y, vas-y Hugo, vas-y, vas-y, vas-y. Oh non, non, non. Ouais, t'es cool, le coude. Et le coude, et coude. Non. Ok. Oui. Alors, vas-y Théo, vas-y. Du. Yeah! Tout ça quoi, Hello again guys, if you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can know whenever I upload. I started this video by asking you guys what are your New Year resolutions. You may simply leave them in the comments below. I would love to know what you guys think. As for me personally, I don't believe in a New Year resolution because I don't think you need to wait for a new year to achieve your goal, to achieve your dreams. I think that every day when you wake is a new day, a new year to fight for your dreams, achieve your dreams, and simply do what you want to do. So with that said guys, I'm still interested in knowing what you guys plan for the year and how you guys, just know how you guys plan for the year and what you plan or hope to achieve. And with that said guys, before I forget, this video is a compilation and so it's just snippets of my experiences. If you'd like to see anything in particular, just leave them in the comments below and I'll try and make an upload of that particular video if I have enough footage. And you would have seen some cards somewhere on the screen for those videos that I already uploaded, that I re-uploaded parts of the content. And before ending this video, I must say thank you so much to everyone who has made my experience a wonderful experience here in France. Trust me, being away from home is not the easiest, and especially when I'm here alone without family, without friends. And so to everyone who has made my year a wonderful year, who has invited me to places, who has accompanied me, who has given me some advice, or whatever role that person played in my life, I would like to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I say this face to face, but I'm just still saying it online, and I'm trying, and I won't call any names. I won't call any names. So thank you so much, guys, and for everyone, I wish you guys a wonderful year, productive year, prosperous year, and may you achieve your wildest dreams and let nothing stop you. So I'll give you guys one word of inspiration. Each day is a new day for you to start over, because you can always start over. So keep that in mind, guys. And again, thank you so much for your support, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you really liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can always know when I upload, and I'll see you guys next week. So ciao.